Hi guys, here's my unboxing of the Oakley Meta Vanguard sunglasses. Okay, what we got here? Got a getting started guide, soft case with the Oakley logo. And this is the glasses case, hard case, very hard, quite fat there but very narrow there. USB-C charging. You can see there's some charge on it. Here they are. Look pretty cool. Look like skiing glasses. I'm actually going to wear these on a trek to Mount Kilimanjaro. And I think I've also got here some extra nose bridge pads, or maybe slightly different lengths and sizes, so you can adjust the fit. They fit on here. I shall give these a try and let you know what I think. You can see the center camera there as well. Thanks guys.